we have 2 groups of 3. And notice I'm looking at that time symbol and reading it as groups of. Yeah, so we can think about our problem. I said we have 6 beads and we have groups of 3, and I asked you how many groups of 3. We could think about this problem another way. I said how many groups of 3 equals 6 beads, and we had groups of 3, and the question was how many groups of 3? Or we could think of how many groups of 3 equals
2. No. 2 groups of 3 equals 6.
So you're filling in the answer, and I want to know what was. So we're actually thinking about our multiplication and division connection, thinking about known and unknown. So we had 6 beads, and we knew they were in groups of 3. We didn't know how many groups of 3. How many groups of 3 would equal 6? Notice I can write the same problem in 2 different ways. One way is showing the division sign, the other way is showing the multiplication sign. So 2 groups of 3 equals 6. Everybody comfortable with that? Okay, so I'm going to write our problems up here. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. That was our first problem. Just pulled over 18 beads, and we can think about it, thank you, as 18 beads, and we have groups of 3, and how many groups of 3 is that? 6, and how did you get that, Bead?
Because 3 times 6 is 18.
So you actually know 3 times 6 equals 18. Where's the 6 up here?
There's 6 groups.
So would that be 6 groups of 3 equals 18?
Yeah, 3 groups. 6 groups of 3.
So I'm going to actually draw this. So we have 6 groups of 3 equals 18. Let's try and write it with our known and unknown. So what was it that we knew in this problem?
3, 6. You just take the 6, and you see out of all of them, the 2 colors together are 6. If you see all the 6s, you could actually see there is 3.
Oh, you just did something really cool. Watch this. 2 groups of 3 together. I can think about this as 2 groups of 3 plus 2 groups of 3 plus 2 groups of 3. And that gave me 6 groups of 3, and that was actually equal to 3 groups of 6. We're talking about our known and unknown. So in this problem, I'm going to walk you through it, but I want you to be thinking about our problems this way. You ready? We knew there were 18 beads because I told you that. I moved it over. What else did we know of our problem? We knew we had groups of 3. What was unknown was how many groups of 3. We could think about this as multiplication as how many groups of 3 equals 18. And now we know how many groups of 3 equals 18? 6. Yeah? Ready for a more challenging problem? I'm not actually going to pull over the beads this time. I want you to think about what you know that can help you. But if I wrote the problem 30 beads, and we have groups of 3, how many groups of 3 is that?